When do you meditate? I meditate at least twice every day. First, I meditate early in the morning, before the sun comes up. I've been meditating at this time for a very long time. And that's for two reasons. It's dark and it's quiet. And that helps me focus on my breathing and not get distracted by random thoughts for too long. It makes it easier to bring my mind back to my breath. It makes it easier to watch my thoughts. Now, I also do 1 or 2 micro meditations throughout the day. What's a micro meditation? That's when you meditate for a small amount of time, friends, like a minute or 2. And I do this anytime I feel like I need to relax or focus. Now, friends, think about what would be a good time to meditate in your house. Is it early in the morning, like Mr. Stevey? Or is it in the afternoon? Maybe it's at night. Ask your parents and find out what they think. Let me know what you come up with in the comments below. Until next time, stay calm, friends.